Welcome to the fascinating journey behind one of the world's most loved comfort foods. Today we step inside a modern noodle factory to discover how simple ingredients are transformed into perfectly crafted noodles enjoyed by millions every day. Wheat flour arrival. Our journey begins with premium wheat flour. Delivered in bulk and carefully unloaded, every batch is tracked and scanned to ensure quality, safety, and consistency before entering the production process. Quality testing. Inside the laboratory, technicians test the flour for texture, moisture, and purity. Only flour that meets strict quality standards moves forward, ensuring the final noodles maintain perfect taste and texture. Storage system. After approval, the flour is transferred into large stainless steel silos. Temperature and humidity are precisely controlled, protecting the ingredients and preserving freshness before mixing begins. Now the transformation begins. Flour is blended with purified water, salt, and alkaline minerals inside powerful industrial mixers. These ingredients combine in exact proportions to create the foundation of noodle dough. Heavy-duty kneading machines work the mixture intensely. The repeated folding and pressing develop gluten, giving the dough its elasticity, strength, and signature chewy texture. The dough is then allowed to rest in a controlled environment. This resting period relaxes the gluten structure, ensuring smoother rolling and better texture in the final product sheets. Next, the dough passes through a series of precision rollers. Each stage gradually flattens it into thin, continuous sheets, creating the smooth base that will soon become noodles. Control advanced sensors measure the dough's thickness to the millimeter. Adjustments are made instantly, guaranteeing every noodle strand will cook evenly and maintain consistent quality. Sharp rotary blades slice the dough sheets into long, uniform strands. Within seconds, flat sheets transform into flowing ribbons of fresh noodles. The freshly cut noodles are gently shaken and separated. This prevents sticking and ensures each strand remains distinct before moving to the cooking stage. The noodles enter a high-temperature steam chamber. Steaming partially cooks them, locking in structure and preparing them for either frying or air drying. For instant noodles, blocks are briefly lowered into hot oil. This rapid frying removes moisture and creates the familiar porous texture that allows quick cooking later. Some varieties skip frying. Instead, they pass through hot air tunnels where controlled heat slowly dries the noodles, producing a lighter, non-fried alternative. After heating, noodles travel along cooling conveyors. Temperature sensors ensure they cool evenly, stabilizing texture before packaging. Both automated scanners and trained inspectors examine the noodles. Imperfect pieces are removed, maintaining strict hygiene and quality standards. Meanwhile, seasoning blends are measured and sealed into individual sachets. Each packet contains the precise mix of spices that gives the noodles their distinctive flavor. Robotic systems place noodle blocks into cups or wrappers at incredible speed. Accuracy and efficiency ensure every package contains the correct portion. Sealing. The packages are heat-sealed to preserve freshness. This airtight closure protects the noodles from moisture and contamination. Each pack receives a printed production date and batch code. This traceability system guarantees transparency and consumer safety. Before leaving the line, packages pass through advanced scanning systems. These final checks confirm weight, seal integrity, and product safety. Finished packs are automatically arranged into cartons. Robotic arms fold, stack, and seal boxes with remarkable precision. Palletizing cartons are stacked onto pallets and securely wrapped. Forklifts prepare them for distribution to supermarkets and stores worldwide. From raw wheat to ready-to-eat convenience, every step combines technology, precision, and quality control.
These noodles are so good.
They're delicious.
So fresh.
Yummy, I love that.
So glad we made them. This is the best.
More, please.